Hey everybody, I'm Kyle from Black Mountain All Terrain. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're installing seat covers on a 590 S4. 560, 590, same thing as far as the seat covers go. You're going to need two tools to do this installation. First is a T40 Torx bit, and I have one here on my ratchet to make it easy. And the other is a T20 Torx bit, and I have one here in my screwdriver. The rear seat backrest. First thing you do is I'm going to reach over here on the driver's side behind the seat belt, and there's a little catch right here. Push back on that and it releases the headache rack and allows you to lay the backrest down. Once that's down, it reveals these 5 bolts. Let's take our seat cover and undo the zippers. There's 2 along the bottom. One opens to each side. And then we'll just slide the seat cover over the backrest. You may have noticed that I had to put a little effort into sliding this seat cover on, and that's okay. We designed the seat covers to be a really form fit onto the seat itself. That way it gives for a better look and just better protects your actual seats all the way around. But don't be afraid to tug on it though. It's all right. Once you have the cover all the way on, basically in place, then you line up the zipper tabs, and this is referred to as a separator zipper, similar to what you might have on a jacket or something like that. You put the two together and zip it all the way up. Seat cover is fully installed on the backrest, and that's what it'll look like. Do you see how the holes have lined up with the bolt holes inside on the backrest? You want to be sure that they're visible so that you can see through there. You'll need that once you put the seat in place. So just lay it here, kind of center it. So we'll just do those steps in reverse now. You want to be sure that they're snug onto there, but also keep in mind that you're screwing into nut inserts that are in the back of that plastic seat rest. So don't over torque it, it's really not necessary. If your vehicle has the grab bar here, the first thing you'll do is take that same T40 Torx bit and remove 2 screws here behind the driver's side and 2 screws here behind the passenger side. So I'll do that now. Seat cover, just like for the rear backrest, has 2 zippers along the bottom, so we'll open those up and we'll just place it down loosely over the top here, and we'll go back in through the holes in the top of the seat cover onto the seat, and we'll put those 4 screws right back in place. With our grab handle firmly installed, now we'll just pull the seat cover down over the seat. Give it a little tug just like before. Don't be afraid to pull it down. They're designed to fit tight. Check for fit across the top. Now that both of our backrests are done, let's switch and do the seat base. Here on the rear, we simply rotate the seat base forward, and you have 4 bolts on each side, underneath the passenger side, underneath the driver's side. Once you have those bolts loose, go ahead and lift up on the seat base, and the mounting bracket should just pivot free. Maybe a little hard, but it's simply a matter of supporting the weight to get the bolts out of the keyholes that are in the brackets. Once you have the cover on, be sure that the holes line up with the bolts. Now we're done with the rear, and to do the front, you repeat the exact same steps. The seat base is the same from the front to the rear. I finished installing the front seat base and reattached that to the vehicle. Once that's done, we've finished the whole thing and the vehicle's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe to our page on YouTube and check out blackmountainat.com for all of our latest products. Thanks again.